Hi, kindergarten. I've got my son Will here with me. We're going to play a game called Race to the Sun for you, and then you'll go off and play it. So to play this game, you're going to need the game board that I sent you in the email, Race to the Sun. And we have the start spot here with the star and the end spot with the sun because we're racing to the sun to finish. You're going to need some game pieces. We have some from our porcelain collection. We've got a May Girl and Uncle Sam for May and July. And then you're going to need these. You're going to need to cut these out before you play the game. These are all our little addition and subtraction pieces. Okay. So to play the game, a person takes a card, right? Player one takes a card. We solve the problem, and then we move that many spaces. The game is over when one player reaches the sun. So, I'll go first, Will, if that's okay with you.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks, Will. All right, I'm going to pick up this card. And, hold on. I'm going to read it. 2 plus 1. What do you think that means? How will I figure out how many spaces to move? Turn to your grown-up. Well, I see that it says 2 plus 1. I know I have to add those two numbers together. You could also have cubes to play with. I'm going to use my fingers because most of these will allow me to use my fingers. So I'm going to take 2 and I'm going to add 1 to it. I'm going to combine them. How many did I get? 1, 2, 3. So I get to move 3 spaces. So I'm going to take my player and I'm going to move it 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. You can see here that I move 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now it's Will's turn. Will, you take a card and you figure out the total. Can you show it to friends and tell them what it says?
3 minus 2.
How will you figure that out, Will? You want to use your fingers and show
Sure.
how to figure that out?
3 and 2. You add it together.
Oh, but it says take away. What should we do? 3 take away 2, right? 3 minus 2. Can you show 3 minus 2, Will?
Take
There.
away 2 and you have 1.
Yeah. 3 take away 2 and you have 1. So you get to move 1 space. All right, my turn. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So I move 1 space up that board. Your turn, Will.
5 minus 3. 5, you subtract 3 and you have 2 left.
Nice. So you get to move 2. So we keep playing the game until we get all the way to the end of the board. Up, over, down, over, up, over, down, all the way to the sun. Have fun playing Race to the Sun and thinking about adding and subtracting numbers within 5. See you tomorrow.